Hey, today I'll give you a quick explainer of the CELPIP test covering what it is and how you can prepare for it. CELPIP, or Canadian English Language Proficiency Index Program, is a fully computer-delivered English test. It's approved for permanent residency applications as well as for professional licensing and education in Canada. And as of August 2025, it's also been approved in Australia for visa applications. There are 4 sections in the CELPIP test. They are listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Let's begin by looking at listening. The time allotted for the listening test is 46 to 55 minutes. It includes 6 scored parts. Part 1, listening to problem solving. Part 2, listening to a daily life conversation. Part 3, listening for information. Part 4, listening to a news item. Part 5, listening to a discussion. And Part 6, listening to viewpoints. You'll also complete 1 short practice task before the real test begins. The listening section checks if you can understand details, main ideas, attitudes, and implied meaning in conversations, interviews, and recordings. Here's a tip for the listening section. Focus on the speaker's attitude and intention in the audio, not just the words they say, but how they say them. Next section, reading. The time allotted for the reading test is 43 to 56 minutes. You'll start with a practice task and then complete 4 scored parts. Part 1, reading correspondence. Part 2, apply a diagram. Part 3, reading for information. Part 4, reading viewpoints. Each part in the reading test has 8 to 11 questions. The reading test checks if you can identify main ideas, details, inferences, vocabulary meaning, and attitude in everyday Canadian-style texts. A key strategy you can use in the reading section is to read the questions before the passage so you know what to look for when answering the questions or the tasks. Okay, the third section, writing. The time allotted for the writing test is 53 minutes, and you'll have to complete 2 tasks. Task 1, write an email. And Task 2, respond to survey questions. Here's a few tips for the writing section. Plan your response, stay on topic, and always check your writing before submitting it. The final section of the CELPIP test is speaking. The time allotted for the speaking test is 15 minutes. You'll start with a practice task and then complete 8 different speaking tasks. Task 1, giving advice. Task 2, talking about personal experience. Task 3, describing a scene. Task 4, making predictions. Task 5, comparing and persuading. Task 6, dealing with a difficult situation. Task 7, expressing opinions. And Task 8, describing an unusual situation. Here's a few tips for CELPIP speaking. Don't memorize answers. Speak naturally, develop your ideas, and show a range of vocabulary. CELPIP scoring. Each skill is scored on a 12-level scale, which maps directly to the Canadian language benchmark levels. There's no overall average. Each skill is scored separately. After taking the test, you can access your results within 3 to 4 business days. How to study for the CELPIP. So now it's time to prepare for the CELPIP test. But don't stress. E2 has everything you need to succeed. We've got expert teachers, real practice questions, proven strategies, writing feedback, speaking practice, mock tests, and much more to help you achieve your target score. Get started on your CELPIP test prep for free at e2language.com today. And that's it. Good luck with your CELPIP preparation. See you next time.